Guys, Mike here. So here's a quick one for you. So if you are building a business online, right, or that involves some kind of online component, right, never forget who you are. And I may be preaching to the choir, right, but I think that is so vital, that is so essential for you to succeed. Because what happens is that we continue to raise self doubts, we continue to self guess ourselves, and we continue to thus rely on so much of a different input coming from variety of different leaders, right, thought leaders, influencers, right, and they do offer such a great wealth of knowledge, right, and then that the side effect of that is that you start to doubt yourself in terms of who you are, what do you do, what do you really stand for, right, and what is your inner potential. And again, I may be preaching to the choir, right, but never forget who you are, what do you stand for, and try to allocate dedicated time just for yourself, whether it is putting aside like 2 to 3 hours worth of time in the morning, or completely shutting off your social media for considerable amount of time during the day, right, whatever that might be, whatever schedule that suits you, um, whatever habit that you are able to imbibe, right, it is going to be so vital for your success. And the more you dedicate time for yourself in terms of working on you, in terms of building your inner self, it is going to help you out tremendously in terms of not only adding value to others, but also at the same time raising your belief level, raising your credibility in your mind. Because at any given point in time, right, there's so much of different thoughts that are kind of bouncing back inside our mind, right, and we continue to self-guess ourselves. So never forget who you are, and try to build your inner self in a huge manner that is going to allow you to transcend beyond the so-called difficulties or adversities or the setbacks, right. It will also allow you to create better attitude in terms of how you perceive setbacks, beliefs, failures, success, wins, so on and so forth. So signing off for now. Talk to you later. Take care.